Hi everyone, I'm Tim Bullard and I'm the Automotive Technical Advisor here at EBC Brakes. A lot of you have probably emailed me, phoned me. Now you can put a face to the name and I can only apologise for that. So I started working at EBC in around July last year, so I think we're coming up to about 8 months now, and it's been, yeah, really fun 8 months. My job role basically entails taking a lot of phone calls and emails from customers, asking the questions about, will this pad fit my vehicle? Can you let me know the best pad compound, the best disc type that you've got, and helping them out in that way. Also do a lot of ETAs for distributors and for resellers. Also, I can take part in a lot of work in the Centre of Excellence, so helping Stefan out with fitting big brake kits and measuring up. That's what takes up most of my day. I'm also the face of EBC on Facebook and Instagram, so if any of you guys send us a message through EBC Brakes or EBC Brakes Direct, I'm the guy that will message you back. Working at EBC Brakes has been great. I really enjoy working amongst a bunch of real petrol heads here. You know, it's really obvious. The guys that work here are really into their bikes and their cars, and you know, it's been really great to fit in there, and being able to work in the automotive industry is something that I've done for quite some years now, but to be in a company like EBC, it's been really great. So, my vehicle history. I started off at the age of 18 with a Ford Escort Finesse 1600. What a beast that was. Handled like a bit of a potato, but the 1600 Z-Tech made up for that. I've also had a XR2i Fiesta with a 2-litre engine from a Ford Mondeo. So that shifted, that was around 140 brake. Took that to the Nürburgring, did a few track days in that. That was great fun. I moved on to a Renault Laguna diesel. What a car that was. Really comfortable. You could do a lot of miles in that car. But that soon went pop, unfortunately. I did a turbo on that. Moved on to a 1.4 turbo Vauxhall Astra. What a little beastie that was. Did a good few miles in that. That did me fine. But then moved on to my first, what I'll call a proper kind of semi-performance car. I had a Fiesta Mark 7 ST180. I really wish I hadn't given up that car, to be honest with you. A lot of fun that was, even standard, even just, I put some upgraded brake pads in that, funnily enough, from EBC. That was a lot of fun. I really wish I hadn't gotten rid of that, but you know, mortgages and things get in the way. So yeah, I've gone down to a Fiesta then Mark 8, 1-litre ST line. That was okay. It did the job just fine, but that's just gone back actually today. And I've moved on to the VW ID3. So I'm one of these weird people that have moved on to electric cars early. But I'm a real believer in the technology. I think it's really going to go somewhere. And it's quite a nice car, you know, you get a lot of toys as standard in it. It's quick away from the line, and it's going to help bring fuel costs down, hopefully. That's the main reason for getting it. And of course, I've got my Clio 182 track car. Bought that maybe 3 or 4 months ago now. Slowly building it up into a track car, ready to hopefully hit the tracks of the UK this year. So that's me basically, the Automotive Technical Advisor at EBC. So if you ever send us a message, you'll probably get a response from me. Hopefully we'll be doing a few track days this year with the EBC team. Luckily we're obviously able to work on our cars here, which has its benefits. So yeah, looking forward to what the rest of 2021 has to bring. Thanks very much.